So welcome to Gomadi Math channel. This is for class 9 ICSE syllabus. Page number 24, exercise 1C, question number 2. State with reason which of the following are certs and which are not. And we have to prove which are all certs and which are all not certs. You see the first one, root of 180. 180 you split into factors. So this is equal to 9 into 2 into 10, that is 3 into 3, 2 into 2 into 5. So now take 3 outside and 1 2, then root 5, 6 root 5, which implies a root of 180 is a cert. It is a cert. We have to write the reason for that. What is the reason? First point. First of all, this 180, within the root you see what is the number. That number, 180 degree in potter. 180 is a positive rational number. The first condition. உள்ள இருக்கிற நம்பர் வந்து பாசிட்டிவாக இருக்கணும், ரேஷ்னல் நம்பராக இருக்கணும். பாசிட்டிவ் ரேஷ்னல் number. Then second point, what the answer you received, that you see 6 root 5 is an irrational. Since root 5 is an irrational number, 6 root 5 is irrational. So which implies root of 180 is a cert. This is already written. So for all the root of 3, so 12 root 3. So this is a cert. What is the reason? Which implies this is a cert. Reason, first point, within the root 27 is a pos. Then second point, you see the answer. This 12 root 3, that is, this is 4 into root 27 is a cert. So in this way we are doing all the sums. Now subdivision 3, so 4 cube whole power 1 by 3, 3 cancel 4. You see this is not a cert. Why? 4 is not an irrational. So which implies first condition, within the root that 64 is rational number, that is okay. But in the answer no irrational number. So this is not a cert. Now subdivision 8 5s are 40. And this is equal to cube root of 5 into 5 into 2 cube power 1 by 3. So 3 cancel. So 5 into 2 equal to 10. So this is answer. Answer is not an irrational. So which implies 10 is not an irrational. Answer கண்டிப்பா irrational இருக்கணும். Then only it is a cert. That's not a cert. So two conditions இருக்கணும். One வந்து within the root, the question within the root it should be a positive rational number. Another one, in the answer you should get an irrational number. Otherwise it is not a cert. So this can be written as cube root of minus 5 the whole cube. So minus 5 into 1 by 3 equal to minus 5. Answer. In the answer no irrational number. This is answer. It is not an irrational. Here itself it is not a positive rational number, this is negative rational number. Then next one, 7th, root of pi. Definitely it is not a surd, because within the root, what is the number? You see, that should be a rational number. It is not a surd because first condition itself it's not obeying, because pi is an irrational. According to the definition, according to the condition for surd, it is not a surd. This is not a surd. What is the reason? Within the root, whatever number, that should be a positive rational number இருக்கணும். So but inside you get only irrational. 3 plus root 2 is an irrational. First condition itself not satisfied. So therefore root 2 is not a surd. See here, this is nth root of a, where n is the order and this is radical and this is radicand. So nth root of a. You see real numbers, the examples given are surds, but pi is not a surd, this is only an irrational number. So how will you simplify a surd? So step 1, so you split the given number within the root into prime factors. We split into prime factors and we have to check the value exists in the last step cannot be further simplified into whole numbers. So in this question I made one mistake. Here 32, 16, here 8 will come. I made that one. Then 4, 2, 1, 2. So actually 2 power 7. So 2 power 7 I split into 2 power 5 and 2 squared. So 2 squared means 4. So the answer you find instead of 2, 4.